Hello friends, welcome to Bhaskara Academy. In this video, we will be looking into aptitude questions asked in RRBJ Shift 2 on 22nd May 2019. The first question is, an article was sold at 20% profit. Had it been purchased at 10% less and sold at 60 rupees less, there would have been a profit of 30%. Find the cost price of article. I am sure you are familiar with the problem, so just look at the solution, and I will also be uploading a PDF of all the questions and answers of shift to aptitude questions in the description, so please do see. So after solving the problem, we will get the CP as 2000. Second question is, a student got 20% marks and failed by 30 marks. Another student got 35% marks and scored 45 marks more than passing mark. Find the passing marks. So the first we have to find the total marks present in exam. So total marks we get is 500 and passing marks is equal to 0.2x plus 30 is equal to 130. So passing marks is 130. Just look at the solution. If you get any doubt, please do ask in comment. I will explain it. So third question is, rupees 1200 amounts to rupees 1632 in 4 years at a certain rate of simple interest. If the rate of interest is increased by just 1%, it would amount to how much? Little trickier problem. Just look at the solution, and I have solved it with a very tricky way. So if 1% increase in rate of interest per year means for 4 years it would be a 4% increase in rate of interest. So 1200 into 4% is equal to 48 rupees increase in 4 years. So just add it to previous amount. So 1632 plus 48 is equal to 1680 rupees. I am sure you have got the right answer in the exam. So answer is rupees 1680. Fourth question is, a sum of rupees 2000 amounts to rupees 4000 in 2 years at compound interest. In how many years does the same amount becomes rupees 8000? This is a very simple problem based on compound interest. Just look at the solution. The answer is 4 years. If you get any doubt, please do ask in comment below and I will explain it. Fifth question is, the compound interest on sum of rupees 5000 at 8% half yearly for 1.5 years. So I have you can see the formula above. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 divided by 100 into raised to 2 into n. So since it is half yearly, we have to divide rate of interest by 2 and we have to multiply total number of years by 2. And below I have solved it by tree method. Tree method is very easier one, so please follow it. Sixth question, find the LCM of reciprocal of 24 and 64. So reciprocal of 24 and 64 is 1 by 24 and 1 by 64. So LCM of fractions is equal to LCM of numerator divided by SCF of denominator. So we will get the answer 1 by 8. So if you have any confusion regarding finding the SCF of denominator, here it is given. So please do look it. Seventh question, a person starts walking from A towards B at 6 am and reaches at B 10 am. Another person starts walking towards A at 8 am and reaches at 12 pm. Find the time at which they will meet each other. So just pause the video and do it yourself. So if you get any confusion, look at the solution. So from a person, first person leaves A and reaches B from 6 am to 10 am. So his time taken is 4 hours. Second person also time taken is 4 hours. So LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. So we have to conclude that distance between A and B is 4 km. So first person takes 4 hours to travel 4 km, means his speed is equal to 1 km per hour, and second person also takes 4 hours to travel 4 km. So his speed also becomes 1 km per hour. So now we have to use equalize the time and later we have to use the relative speed to solve the problem. So first person leaves at 6 am and the second person leaves at 8 am. First person was 2 km away from A at 8 am because his speed is 1 km per hour. So for 2 years he would have been traveled at 2 km. So now at 8 am their distance is 2 km. So distance between two persons is 2 km at 8 am. So just use the relative speed to solve the problem. So we will get the answer as 9 am. If you get any doubt, ask in comment below. 8th question. You arrive at your school 5 minutes late if you walk with a speed of 4 km per hour, but you arrive 10 minutes before the scheduled time if you walk with a speed of 5 km per hour. Find the distance between school and home. Very simple question. So just look at the answer. I have solved it with a shortcut method. So use this shortcut method. It is very easier one. The answer is 5 km. 9th question. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. They complete the work together in how many days? Very easier one. I am sure you all have solved it in the exam. Answer is 10 days. 10th question. A and B can complete a piece of work in 30 and 20 days respectively. They start the work alternatively, starting with A and complete half of work after C joins them, whose efficiency is 50% of A. Now if all three work alternatively, then in how many days work will complete? A little trickier one. Just pause the video and try to solve it yourself. So if you can't, just watch the solution. So now A completes the work in 30 hours, so and B takes 20. So total work has to be 60. So efficiency of A is 2 and efficiency of B is 3. So total work in 2 days. So they have given that they will start working with alternative starting from A. So total work in 2 days is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So given that they complete only half of work. So half of work of 60 is, so we know total amount of work is 60. So half of 60 is equal to 30. So now they have completed only 30 amount of work. So if they complete 5 work in 2 days, they take 12 days for 30 work. So now they have taken 12 days. So remember it. Now here comes C. They are given that C is 50% efficient of A. So if A's efficiency is 2, C's efficiency has to be 1. So total work in 3 days is equal to 6, because now we have to add the efficiency of C to efficiency of A plus B. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 6. So for remaining 30 work, they take 15 days, because 6 into 5 is equal to 30, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So previously we got 12 days, here we get 15 days. So 12 plus 15 is equal to 27 days. A bit tricky problem here it is. So if you get any doubt, ask in comment. I will explain it with very even more efficient way. 11th question. In a company, 70% are working males, in which 30% male resign the job and 20% female resign the job. Then how much percent of people are working in the company now? Look at the solution. It is very easy problem. So answer is 73%. How many times will a wheel of radius 14 cm have to rotate to cover the distance of 22 meter? Just find the circumference of the wheel and just divide the total distance that has to be traveled divided by circumference of the wheel. You get answer as 25 rotations. 14th question. Find the value of sin 120 degree into sin 150 into sin 270. Easier one. Look at the solution. Answer is minus under root 3 divided by 4. So 15th question. Find the remainder of 7 square into 9 square divided by 8. A very easy one. I have solved it with a shortcut. Do it yourself. If you get any doubt, ask it. 16th question. Product of two co-prime numbers is 903. Then LCM is. So we know the formula. Product of two numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. So product of two numbers is given 903. So LCM of two co-prime numbers is 1. We already know that. So into LCM. So find the LCM. LCM is 903. An article sold at 405 rupees and received 12.5% profit. Then find the profit in rupees. So first find the CPF article. We get the CPF article as 360 rupees. Now just multiply cost price by profit. So you will get the profit in rupees, that is 45 rupees. 18th question. Radius of cylinder and sphere is same and height of cylinder is twice of radius, then find the ratio of their volumes. Very easier one. Ratio becomes 3:2. I am sure you all have solved it in the exam. 19th question. After 5 years, mother's age will be 3 times her son's age, whereas 5 years ago she was 7 times bigger than her son. Then find the current age of mother and son. A very easier problem. Answer is age of son is 9 years and age of mother is 37 years. I have also uploaded PDF of all these questions and answers. Do download it, and if you get any doubt, ask in the comment. 20th question. The speed of a stream is 3 km per hour and speed of a man in still water is 5 km per hour. The time taken by man to swim 26 km downward is. Very easy one. Just divide the total kilometer that has to be traveled divided by total speed of stream and man. We will get 3.25 hours. So 21st question. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B is equal to 75 degree and angle B plus angle C is equal to 140 degree. Then angle B is equal to how much? Very easier one. We know that sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree. Just do it and we will get the angle B as 35 degree. 22nd question. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 27. What is the product of first and last number? So consecutive numbers means we know the middle number has to be the average of all those consecutive numbers. So here the middle number is 27. So first number becomes 27 minus 4 is equal to 23 and the last number becomes 27 plus 4 is equal to 31. So the product becomes 713. So that's it friends. These are all the aptitude questions that I have collected from shift 2 that has happened on May 22nd, 2019. So keep subscribing and sharing Bhaskara Academy and let your friends also know about Bhaskara Academy. Thank you.